What if I told you that if you follow one simple daily system, it becomes almost impossible to stay broke? Not because you'll get lucky, not because you'll hit a $10,000 month overnight, but because you'll finally control every $1 that enters your life. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll have a step-by-step daily formula that can completely change your financial future. Most Americans don't stay broke because they only make $30,000 or even $50,000 a year. They stay broke because they don't manage what they make. Your paycheck hits for $2,000, rent takes $1,200, groceries take $300, gas takes $150, random spending eats another $200, and suddenly that $2,000 is gone. Then the cycle repeats. If you don't control your money daily, you lose control of it monthly. So here's the system. Step 1. Every morning, open your bank app and look at your numbers. If you have $1,450 in checking, know it. If you owe $3,200 on a credit card, face it. Awareness is power. Most people avoid their accounts until they see a low balance alert. That's not control. That's reaction. Step 2. Track every dollar you spend that day. If you spend $6 on coffee, write it down. If you order $28 of takeout, write it down. If Amazon charges you $14.99 for a subscription, record it. When you see that you're spending $300 to $500 a month on small things, your behavior changes automatically. Step 3. Increase your income daily. Spend at least 10 minutes doing something that could make you an extra $100, $500, or even $1,000 a month in the future. Apply for higher paying jobs. Learn a skill that pays $25 per hour instead of $15. Start a side hustle that brings in an extra $200 a week. Income growth has no ceiling. Expenses do. Step 4. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, move 10% into savings. If you get paid $1,000, move $100 immediately. If you can't do 10%, start with $50. The amount isn't the point. The habit is. Stack $100 a week, and that's over $5,000 in a year. That's how you build security. Step 5. Invest consistently. Once you build a $1,000 emergency cushion, then push toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. After that, start investing in long-term assets. Even $200 a month into index funds over 10 to 15 years can turn into serious money because of compound growth. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making it extremely hard to stay broke. When you track every $1, grow your income intentionally, and invest small amounts consistently, your financial life shifts. 6 months from now, you could have $3,000 saved instead of $0. A year from now, you could have an extra $500 a month coming in. That's $6,000 a year in additional income. The difference between someone stuck at $0 savings and someone building wealth isn't luck, it's daily structure. 30 focused minutes a day can protect thousands of dollars a year. So the real question is simple. Are you going to keep letting $20 here and $50 there disappear? Or are you going to take control of every dollar starting today? Because once you manage your money daily, staying broke becomes very difficult. And that decision starts right now.